I am trying to finish all my videos in one day. That's why you see the same outfit, because I'm one of those people who want to put the makeup on only once, so that way the rest of the day or the rest of the week I don't have to wear makeup. So anyway, there you go. Okay, we got some of the coolest things at Ross. Now, this isn't really a craft video. I mean, there are some things I'm going to use for craft, but you'll have to wait and see. So here we go. I got this right here. It was probably $10 because it had some little places, and I asked them to take something off, and they did, because I'm going to do something for Christmas with this, which I hope it turns out, because it's going to be pretty cool. If it does turn out, we will see. Okay, so this is one. Okay, all right, this one is like Julius Caesar. I really wanted to do a greenery on him, but my daughter won't let me. Although I might have to figure out how to do it. I might have to, you know what I might have to do? I might have to do a hat to put over him, and then okay. So I will be doing a DIY.
Just please, just don't glue anything to him.
She doesn't want me to glue anything to him because she really likes him. She's probably going to sleep with the guy or something.
His name's Judas, by the way.
His name is Judas. Judas, not Julius.
No. Julius already had July named after him. He doesn't need another thing named after him.
Yeah, but he's kind of cute. He's got a great nose. Look at that nose. He's got a great nose.
He's got a nice face.
He does.
He looks like he has really soft hair too.
I'm not sure about that hairdo, but I guess it'll have.
That was the style back then.
Yeah.
Besides, Julius already named July after himself. He doesn't need another statue.
Okay, we saw this at Staples, and it was $29.99. So it was $30. So I was like, no, not buying it. It's one of those things that you microwave the little thing inside, and it's hot. So like it'll be sort of comforting, or if you sort of, what do I want to say? Need some heat on a knee or your back or something. That would be cute. So this was $12.99. So it was actually cheaper than half price. So it can go up to a minute in the microwave or 50 seconds, depending on your microwave, like how many watts it is. But $12.99, and he's cute. You can hold him and cuddle with him. Yeah. They had this one. They had a penguin, I believe.
Oh.
They had a penguin, and they had another one. I can't remember what it was.
But we like cats.
But since she likes cats, we got it for that.
We like cats.
All right. So I wanted to do some pillows. So I wanted to find some nice towels, and I wanted them to be a little more plushy and a little more elegant than, say, Dollar Tree. Okay. So I got these. It says chillin' with my Snowmies, and it's got a really good feel to it. So I'm probably going to make a pillow out of it, and it's got a cookie recipe on the back, which is kind of cool. Yeah, it's got a cookie recipe, so you get 2 of them. I think they were $5, so it'd be $2.50 each, but it's a really thick one, which I like. And I thought, how cute to make a pillow. Give it away. Or it's got cookie recipes on it. All right, then I got this one, which you can, it's also $4.99. So you can send a little note to Santa. And also it's thick because, you know, I have to tell you, I mean, I love Dollar Tree, but their material for towels is really like, you could tell it's cheap looking, but these are nice. I am going to up my pillows that I made.
They're really nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I need a new tablecloth because I can't find mine. They're in the garage among hundreds of boxes. I probably exaggerate, but I'm sure there's 100 boxes in there.
At least 300.
Yeah, I'm thinking. So I bought some new tablecloths, which I really like. So I got this white one, which is gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous?
That is gorgeous.
Yeah, I got this one. And this one was $10.99. So this one. And then I got the same one in red because I just thought it was such a pretty pattern. And I just thought, how gorgeous this white with the gold will be on the table. And then this one, I'm probably going to put over there on that other table. That's what I'm thinking. Unless I can, my son has been in the garage all week trying to find my Christmas things. I think he gets lost in there for hours. We're not sure what happens to him, but yeah. All right, look at these. These are gorgeous plates. Look, you get 4 of them, and they were $2 a piece. I mean, they're heavy. They're not your normal charger plates. They're just gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous?
They are gorgeous.
I'm not sure if I'm going to do a DIY with them, but they are gorgeous. And if I actually see them in another DIY, because, I mean, if I see them at another Ross, that was the only one they had of that one. So remember that pattern, Angelina? Because actually, if I see them at another Ross, I probably would get another set and use them in my dining room. But if I can't find 4 more, I'll probably just DIY them.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Then I got this cute little, let's see, it's like a little, I thought it was cute. It was only $6, and I thought it was already cute. Let me see if I can plug it in for you. Let's see if it will plug in. Wow. It's got some tight wire there. All right, let's see if I can plug it in. Let's see. Will it light up? It'd be grand if it didn't. It doesn't light up.
Is your thing on though?
No, it's not.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, it still doesn't light up.
Maybe it has a switch on it.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to return it. Isn't that something?
That is something.
They had quite a few of them too.
Is that plugged in?
Oh, that's not plugged in.
Oh, thank God.
Alright, I'm scared to move anything. Catch it if it falls. Living with me is always an adventure.
It really is.
It really is. We need to do the GoPro and take it everywhere with us because I'm always like falling or something. I don't know if you can see
I'm going to move the camera a bit.
Move the camera. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
For $6. Yeah. It's scary in our house. It is. But isn't it pretty?
It is pretty.
See. I will turn this off. Let's see if we can get it. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
So pretty. All right, let me unplug this right now. I've got all my glue guns, heat gun plugged into that, so that's a little crazy. Okay, where are we? Okay, this is just a random. We were at Walmart. Okay, and I saw these and thought they were cute since I'm doing snowmen, but you get 3 little glitter clip-on hats.
Those are cute.
Are they cute for $2.50? Well, $2.48, so really $2.48. But they are really cute and they clip on, so how cute is that? We also did a Walmart Christmas video, so make sure you watch out for that one. And my favorite, I have so many of these. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here it is.
I can't
Oh, is he ever so cute? Oh my gosh. Don't you just love him?
He's so soft.
Looks like a snow owl, right?
I think he is.
Anyway, I have probably,
He might be a barn owl. I don't know. It's hard
at
to tell.
least, I'm sure I have 40 or 50 owls. Yeah, all right. And then look, these are so cute too. These were like so cute. These are mini. Yeah, they came from Walmart. I have to take one of these. Are they ever cute? Look at these little guys.
Oh my
They're
God.
little babies. Look at his little eye. Oh my God, he's so cute, guys. I know. I also have an owl topper for a top of a tree, which I got at Walmart last year, and I noticed they have him again this year, but look at this little face. Don't you want him? Don't you?
I'm stealing this guy.
I know you want him. I mean, seriously, who wouldn't want that little owl?
Look at him.
He's so cute. comes in a little plastic box. I know, she's over there petting him. Anyway, guys, that's it. I'm hoping that you guys are having a great day. I'm hoping you're going to go for a walk today or play cornhole. Could do that if you have a cornhole set. If you're in Florida, you can definitely find a pool somewhere, you know, and usually they're heated this time of the year. It is October. Pools are a little chilly unless you heat them. What else? Golf. Yeah, you could golf in Florida year round, which is nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you will hit the subscribe button, we will love you forever, because then you become a part of our family. And you can comment, tell us what you think, if you're having a bad day, if you're having a great day. If we can help in any way, we always will try. And I would like you to be kind to yourself and to each other. Remember, kindness does matter. It does. And kindness changes everything. It will. If you're just kind, it's a good way to be. So thank you for watching. Again, subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.